Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are well. We start our class with name of Allah, which is most beneficent and the most merciful. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. In last lecture we learned basic definition of chemistry. Today we learn elements in detail. So, let's start. Elements. Elements are the fundamental building blocks of matter. They are substances that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by ordinary chemical means. Each element is characterized by its unique set of properties, including its atomic number, atomic mass, and chemical behavior. The periodic table of elements is a tabular arrangement of all known elements, organized based on their atomic number and recurring chemical properties. There are currently 118 confirmed elements, with the most recent additions being mehanium, Nh, moscovium, Mec, tennessine, Ts, and oganesson, Og, which were officially recognized in 2016. Elements are composed of atoms, which consist of a nucleus containing protons and neutrons, surrounded by electrons in orbitals or energy levels. The number of protons determines the element's atomic number, while the sum of protons and neutrons gives the atomic mass. For example, carbon has an atomic number of 6 and an atomic mass of approximately 12. Elements exhibit a wide range of physical and chemical properties. Some elements are metals, characterized by their luster, conductivity, and malleability. Examples include iron, Fe, copper, Cu, and gold, O. Non-metals, such as oxygen, O, nitrogen, N, and sulfur, S, are generally poor conductors of heat and electricity. Metalloids, such as silicon, C, and arsenic, As, exhibit properties of both metals and non-metals. Elements can combine to form compounds through chemical reactions. The interactions between elements are governed by the sharing, gaining, or losing of electrons to achieve stability. These interactions are described by various chemical bonding theories, including ionic bonding, covalent bonding, and metallic bonding. Elements play a crucial role in various aspects of our lives. They are essential for the composition of minerals, rocks, and the Earth's crust. Elements are also vital for biological systems, as they make up the building blocks of life, such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Additionally, elements are utilized in industries ranging from electronics to medicine, where their unique properties are harnessed for various applications. In summary, elements are the fundamental substances that make up matter. Their distinct properties and interactions contribute to the diversity and complexity of the world around us. The study of elements and their behavior is essential in understanding the composition and behavior of matter. Next topic is compound. Now learn and take concept of compound. Title: Understanding compounds. Introduction. A compound is a fundamental concept in chemistry, referring to a substance composed of two or more different elements chemically bonded together. These elements combine in fixed ratios to form a new substance with unique properties. Compounds play a crucial role in various aspects of our daily lives, from the food we eat to the materials we use. This note aims to provide a general understanding of compounds, their characteristics, and their importance in different fields. Characteristics of compounds. 1. Chemical bonding. Compounds are formed through chemical bonding, which involves the sharing, donating, or receiving of electrons between atoms. The most common types of chemical bonds in compounds are ionic bonds, covalent bonds, and metallic bonds. 2. Fixed ratios. Compounds have a fixed ratio of atoms. Each compound has a specific chemical formula that indicates the types and numbers of atoms present. For example, water, H2O, consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, always maintaining a 2-to-1 ratio. 3. Unique properties. Compounds exhibit properties distinct from their constituent elements. The combination of elements leads to new chemical and physical properties, such as different melting points, boiling points, densities, and reactivity. These properties are crucial in determining the compound's behavior and applications. Types of compounds. 1. Ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are formed through the transfer of electrons between atoms. They consist of positively charged ions, cations, and negatively charged ions, anions, held together by electrostatic forces. Examples include sodium chloride, and calcium carbonate, CaCO3. 2. Covalent compounds. Covalent compounds are formed through the sharing of electrons between atoms. They typically consist of nonmetals and can be either molecular or network compounds. Examples include water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2. 3. Metallic compounds. Metallic compounds are formed by the bonding of metal atoms. They exhibit metallic properties such as high electrical and thermal conductivity, malleability, and luster. Examples include iron, Fe, and copper, Cu. Importance of compounds. 1. Everyday life. Compounds are essential in our daily lives. They form the basis of various substances, including food, medicines, cosmetics, and household products. For instance, table salt, sodium chloride, is a compound used for seasoning food, while aspirin, acetylsalicylic acid, is a compound used for pain relief. 2. Industry and technology. Compounds play a vital role in industrial processes and technological advancements. They are used in the production of materials, such as plastics, rubber, alloys, and synthetic fibers. Compounds also serve as catalysts in chemical reactions and are crucial in developing new technologies, such as solar cells and batteries. 3. Scientific research. Compounds are extensively studied in scientific research to understand their properties, behavior, and potential applications. Scientists investigate compounds to develop new drugs, improve materials, and advance our understanding of chemical reactions and the natural world. Conclusion. Compounds are fundamental building blocks in chemistry, formed by the combination of different elements through chemical bonding. Their unique properties, fixed ratios, and diverse applications make them essential in various fields. Understanding compounds is crucial for advancing scientific knowledge, developing new technologies, and improving our daily lives. Okay, students, here our lecture is done. I hope you learn and understand today's topic clearly. If you have any confusion, write in comment section. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Inshallah, we learn more in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Fe Aman Allah.